How are you, students? Today I am going to solve this algebraic question, that is a plus b is equal to 7, and we are given that a minus b is equal to 2, and now we are interested to find the value of a, b. So the solution is, now here we use the formula, the identity, that is a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square equals to 4ab. Now we have this formula, this identity, to solve this question. So where from where this formula come from? Now we have two basics formula, that is a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. Now we know that a plus b whole square equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab, and a minus b whole square equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So now if we subtract these two basic formula minus, now here we changes all the signs, that minus plus, that is minus, now here it is minus, it becomes plus. So now because we are subtracting this a minus b whole square, so we change all the operations here. So now a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square equals to, that is a square plus a square minus a square, that will cancel. Now that is plus b square minus b square, and now here plus 2ab and plus 2b becomes 2 plus 2, that is 4ab. So if we subtract this two basics formula, so we will get this one, a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square, it will become 4ab. So now here in this case we are given a plus b, the value of a plus b and the value of a minus b, and we are interested to find the value of a, b. So now we have this formula. So now putting values, now by putting values, a, we know that a plus b is equal to 7, that is 7 square, minus a minus b is equal to 2, so it becomes 2 square, equals to, that is 4 ab. Now we are interested to find the value of ab. So 7 square means 7 sevens are 49, minus 2 twos are 4, equal to 4ab. So now if you subtract 4 from the 49, it becomes 45, that is 4ab. So now we are interested to find the value of ab. So divide 4 on both sides, divide 4 on both sides, that is 45 divided by 4, it is 4ab divided by 4. So now 4 will be cancelled, and we can get here ab, that is 45 divided by 4, it is equal to ab, or ab equals to 45 divided by 4. So it is our required value, that is ab value, that is our required answer. So now we are given the value of ab, that is 7, and the value of a minus b, that is 2, and now we have found that is ab, that is 45 divided by 4. I hope you enjoyed this question. If you have any question, so drop in the comment section. Thank you.